We are back for another exciting adventure in the land of Excel. Today we're going to go through sum product. It's a great function. It's going to save you some time, and if it fits your purposes, it's going to be exactly what you need. Depends on really how you're structuring your spreadsheet, but it is a great thing to get if you have multiple criteria. You don't want to write a bunch of functions and you just want one total overall number. There's definitely different uses we can do, but we're going to get into the basics that are going to help you right off the bat. So this first spreadsheet, let's say we just had this. So let's go hide this. You have a spreadsheet and you have inventory items. So we've got apples, bananas, cherries, Dole pineapples, elephant statues, farmer overalls, and sunglasses. Lokes, because you know we keep it real. Then we've got revenue, so what we sold them for, and the number we sold, so the quantity. So you see we're selling Lokes for $100 because obviously everybody wants to keep it real. And we go to how many we sold. Over 87,000 pairs. Fantastic. Inventory, what we still have on hand, so all the unsold stuff, and the cost, so what we got each of those for. So let's take a look and see what we could do normally. You can normally go through here. You can take this one times this one to get the revenue for each of these. So we take that times that and there. Then we go enter it here again, here again, here again, here again, here again, and then here again. And then we can do a total of those functions. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a total of 8 functions we would have to do on that, which gets us to our total here. So you can type in 8 functions, or you can just use this beautiful one, sum product, and that's what we did here. So all we do is equals sum product. We hit the first array we want, which is right here. We're going to do revenue and how many we sold. We're going to get this total number because all we want to know is how much money did we bring in. Highlight that, enter a comma, highlight that, then we close parentheses and press enter. And what do you know? It matches the same thing. We saved ourselves 7 steps right there. Not bad. We'll do it again. Let's see if it works for unsold inventory. So all we're doing on this multiplied these two, this multiplied these two, this by these two. And then we did the same thing all the way down. This added all those up, so on and so forth. So with sum product, we just go array 1, how many we have in inventory, comma, array 2, how much they cost us, close the parentheses, hit enter, and what do you know? It's the same thing. So let's go by scratch. So let's look at it in terms of how much it would have taken, or the time it would have taken normally to do all that. So I'm going to go a little fast here. Just bear with me. All I'm going to do is show you what you could do versus how much time sum product can save you. So if we had a timer, let's start it now. And there we go. That's where we would be at if we had to do all those by hand, if we were used to them, if we knew exactly where we had to go. But if we were starting another timer, and we went sum product, so we'll start the timer, say, now. You're done. There you go. Sum product is a great function. It's going to save you a lot of time depending on what you need. And at the end of the day, it's just another thing to keep handy in case you need a total figure. All right, have a good one.